What's good, tribe? I'm Neff from Neff's Tac Pets, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're checking out Popular Mechanics, March 1980. I love that image on the front. Look at that retrofuturism. What are they doing? They're going with the book to size small island. Row, row, row. I love the retrofuturism. There's no way that anyone could control something like that without, I don't know, being seated a little more. That guy's on his knees, man. I don't know. I can't be that precise with something that far down. I know it's just an image, but still. Oh, I want one of these subs so bad. I'm not a hoarder. I'm not a hoarder. The hell? Is that a printer? Did that guy bring a printer? Oh no, it's some kind of 80s tackle box. Okay. What's going on with this advertisement over here? We got the Kawasaki, right? I'm pretty sure those are really good bikes. Then over here, the advertisement, they're like, ooh, I'm surprised that they let women drive in the 80s. Oh no, wait, he's riding shotgun. There's another guy right next to him, probably. Wait, don't Mustangs generally have gear shifts? What are you sitting on, honey? Really though, what's the story here? He drove to have a menage a three with her in the car. I mean, you don't understand, but if you had a Mustang, you'd get it. I love, love, love these computers that have like a rounded top on them. I never see them. They're like particular radios that you never see. Like you see radios like that and like that, and even sometimes like that, but very rarely like this with all those beautiful numbers. Oh, geez, I got a dust. I swear everything looks dusty in 4K. But yeah, a type of retro that just goes back so curvy long ago. FTC Revolt. Grow flowers indoors. Wouldn't that be worse though? Interesting light bulb replacer tool unit. Over here, this is a timer basically for your lights at home. Holy frick, solar energy really has been around forever, hasn't it? Wonder why we don't rely on that more up here in Canada and why we're so into the wind turbines. I mean, there's no wear and tear on solar. You have to replace the blades on the wind turbines, but let's face it, I wonder if that garbage is actually even very much if you compare it to the garbage that everybody else wastes. Like legitimately, if you just look at your garbage pile up, it doesn't take very long. So I guess the argument with energy is that if we use nuclear, if something screws up, we could destroy the whole world. But if we use coal, we just continue to destroy the whole world. Oh, this is I gotta make a joke about it. Oh boy, isn't it awesome? After church, all of us white people get together for the cool country mists of the coolness. Yes, we leave our Baptist church and then we go out and we don't go to the parking lot. No, we go to heaven for a brief second with cool miles. Yes, this is the heaven that nobody but the white patriarchy can take you to. You must be married directly into it. Through God, no, not Jehovah, or not anyone else. God, yes, that's right. You must obey your man. Jeez, that's a big cigarette. It's freaking awesome how they make the mechanics section a different kind of paper. Gotta say, I love these velvet advertisements. It's not overly sexualized, but you get a good looking woman in there. Nissan Datsun. Yeah, I wouldn't mind having one of those. Like, I'd rather have an American truck if I could, but the reliability of the Asian ones, there's a lot to be said about it. Or at least certain ones. Oh, I love it when you get extra little danglies and whatever's in your car, but man, that must be a pain in the ass to install. The vacuum gauge. Huh. Oh my god, yes. 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 Oh my god. Oh, frick, I need to change my pants. A Derringer. Wait, is that a mini Derringer? I've never seen I've never seen a Derringer that small. Wow. Oh my god, I want one of those. I just want one of those because it looks so cool. It looks so cool. This one also looks cool, but like one you don't actually shoot. But I would love to take one of these out to a firing range. See if I could hit anything at 30 yards while on full auto. Commuting by moped. That didn't go too far. Not in the States anyways, did it? I mean, you'd be made fun of if you had a moped these days. You're not supposed to use that stuff. It's like sex with fat chicks. Fun till your friends find out. But after you get married, do you really care? And the answer is yes. Men do care. I wouldn't mind. I mean, try driving a moped in minus 10-degree Canadian units. It's no fun. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. I love all retrofuturism. Art. Colossus stands up to the sea. Damn. Built in Holland from the Volker dredging firm. 620-foot boom tip. Simon service classified as submersible. Cutting dredge and okay. That one looks useful in a pinch. New digital sound breaks all records. You know, if you have a golden disc, that means it's worth more money. Doesn't mean it'll play any better. But I'm sure you'll find some rich person that will disagree. The heck is this? Oh, it's a CD. Get me excited. Making pornography in your home has never been more easy or more affordable than it is in 1980. That's right. Just find Sheila, get some camera equipment, get together, and away you go, Billy. Oh my god, they made mini ones for children? No, don't grow up. Don't do your taxes yet. You still have time. Go out and get dirty. Go out and get on a dirt bike. Stay away from 7 ways to get cheap firewood. Where's prostitution? Oh wait, that's for cheeseburgers. I wonder if Hank Hill reads Popular Mechanics. I wonder if he has any opinions on push mowers. I'll tell you what, Bobby. Beavers and chainsaws, it's all I need. Give me beavers and chainsaws. Imagine if the beavers could use the chainsaws. Oh, beavers and chainsaws, my guys. That's what I got for you today. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other, will ya?